And if you are heading out tonight, I'm sure you're wondering what you need to wear. Hopefully the cold weather doesn't move in until a little bit later in the evening, Erin.
Cold weather doesn't arrive until tomorrow, so we'll be fine as far as the temperatures are concerned. But what you have to be prepared for is the rain gear and also the ability to get severe weather alerts. We do have the CBS DFW weather app that will kind of keep you updated as we go into this evening. Right now, it's just showing some rain, though, like our satellite and radar. We've got cloudy skies. We've got generally light showers ongoing a little farther to the west of Tarrant County. So you can kind of see from Fort Worth to Weatherford, we're talking about very, very light showers. And it becomes a little more steady when you get into northern Collin and Denton counties and then up towards the Red River. But this is light rain. We're not dealing with storms right now. We're not anticipating coverage really picking up until we get a little bit closer to midnight. So 10 o'clock, 40% coverage, 11 o'clock to midnight. Happy New Year. We've got a 50% chance for showers and some scattered storms, but it's at this point, midnight onward into early tomorrow morning, that I think we're going to be watching for the possibility of some stronger storms, but this isn't going to last all day into Saturday. So let's take a look at FUTURECAST. We just have these light showers around over the next few hours. I think once we get a little bit closer to 9, 10 o'clock, we'll start to watch some of our western counties. The models are not in agreement on initializing these storms, but this is the most aggressive model, the NAM model, the most aggressive in showing these storms kind of developing as we get a little bit closer to 10, 11 o'clock this evening. So western counties, a little bit closer to Graham, Bridgeport, Breckenridge, Mineral Wells, that's where we would watch for. And then if we saw this line of storms kind of roll through the Metroplex as we get towards midnight, 1 a.m., I do think these would be a little bit stronger. But again, the models are not in agreement on this. So this is something that we have to watch for. There's a decent amount of instability a little bit closer to the surface, so we're watching for that. But if we don't see that, then it's going to be kind of in that 3 to 7 a.m. time frame where we'll watch a few stronger storms out west, kind of roll a little bit closer to the Red River especially. But you can see in Denton County and Collin County as we get to 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, maybe looking at a few stronger storms as well. The main threats would be hail and some wind damage. The tornado threat, it's low. It's not at 0, but it is low. So we're watching this. But here we go, 11:45, 12 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. We're done with the rain. We've got plenty of sunshine, and then that front rolls in, so you start to see these wind arrows, meaning that it is going to be very breezy. So the threat for severe storms overnight, again, we're going to be watching for wind, hail, and that low-end tornado risk. You notice that most of North Texas under that level 1 marginal risk, and then a little farther to the north and to the east, we're under that level 2 risk. Now, temperature-wise, this is the big cool down we've all been talking about. You notice we're in the upper 60s and low 70s before that front swings through, and then we've got 30s and 40s, followed by some teens and 20s to start Sunday morning. Let's talk about Sunday for a second. So we started 22, we warmed to 39, but look at those feels like temperatures. 7 a.m. it feels like 7 degrees. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's feeling like 30 degrees, Brooke. So very, very cold for this weekend. Temperatures rebound quickly, but another cold shot into Thursday and Friday of next week.
And it looks like Mother Nature got the memo that January finally here. All right, Erin, thank you so much.